Alright, so today's episode is going to be on the installation of the Garmin Fantom 18x radar dome on top of the boat. Stay tuned. Alright, so previously this guy who had the boat before had a radar unit up here, but he ended up hitting a bridge by his house at high tide. He couldn't go underneath the bridge at high tide, and he did. So I had to take the front light off to see where the front, where he had the front screws or bolts, and yeah, right there. That's where they came in at. So I'm going to put the template up there to see if it's the same thing. I'm believing it's going to be the same thing because he has a Garmin GPS. So I think he used a Garmin dome, so hopefully it's the same thing. Alright, I'm up. Yeah, so some of y'all may see that, oh, this is a result of my gunshot wound on duty. So some of y'all may ask what the scarring's from. So a lot of these holes are sealed. All of them are sealed. So I'm gonna real quickly get these unsealed and see what we can get done. All right. So according to the cheat sheet here, the mounting template, their radar dome was a little bit smaller than ours. So I'm going to do some measuring, and we will we'll get this figured out and get some holes drilled. Alright guys, well, using the template, I went ahead and drilled the holes that are 3/8 inch. So I used a 3/8 inch drill bit and drilled down. So on to the next. Alright guys, so yeah, I can't you can't see them holes. Alright. So we're gonna have to pop this cap off and see where the old cable led. And then, which is fine. Yep, and then we'll see if we can work the other cables the same way. All right, so we went ahead and removed this cap. Huh?
I think what they do is they fucking loosen the fucking top up.
There's no possible way, dude.
They do. They gotta get down inside there. They'll feed it over there. They'll pull it out of the top, shove it down in the pipe. I'm thinking that's what they have to do. But there's no fucking way. I'm like, dude, I can't even get this fucking bent enough to go up in that hole. Now, wait a minute.
Alright, so we've been playing heck trying to get this this line ran for power and stuff, so we've had to move the front radio thing to get up into the hole. We found the old wire that they just disconnected from the other radar they had up here, so we're just going to use that to work the other lines up through the tubing and then up to here. Whew, what a pain in the butt. Alright, be back in a bit. We're stuck.
You're gonna get a little bit of resistance because of that tape.
Well, I'm getting a lot. Oh shit! Damn it!
Huh?
Damn it!
What?
Right here, dude.
Huh?
Alright, so we are going to. My brother just left to go get a couple things. We've put the running the cable on hold. That has become quite the task. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to install the dome. Obviously, that arrow right there points to the front. So, where's my hardware? That's the front. Okay. Now, more than likely, so this fuse here, I'm going to have to cut this and re-splice it once it gets down there, because this is not going to fit through the hole. As you can see, this is color-coded red, and this is color-coded. This right here is color-coded red. So red and red. Oh, I know I had those plates. Where's those plates at? Oh, daggone it. Oh, there it is. Got it. So where the cables go in at, that's the front of your radar unit. So that needs to face the bow of your boat. That breeze feels good. Alright, I need to get down and get a Phillips head screwdriver, because I was a dummy and didn't bring one up. Yep. Alright, so I went ahead and attached that. So I've got my cables running. So again, this is the front, so when I turn it over, my cables are going to face the right. There's some silicone. I'm going to put some silicone around these holes. Now when you do this, you need the 4200 series of marine silicone is fine. Let's see if we can get these holes properly. There it is. Bam! Alright. go downstairs and work on the unit. Just tightening it down. Alright guys, so went ahead and put the radar dome up. When I realized that when I drilled the holes, the unit was sitting too far forward, so I had to re-drill 3/8 inch holes. So I just pulled out the diagram again and just re-drilled and moved it back. We got the cable ran down through the old port that they had here, and that's working out pretty good. So I just went and put a piece, a bunch of silicone on that just to seal that up, and then yeah, now we're just trying to find a way to get the wires downstairs. Alright guys, so the radar is finally mounted, and thanks to my brother, he finally got the lines ran, and it was a pain in the butt. So obviously these two marks are from the old unit that was up there, and then so we ended up having to run we found out that we have to run the lines back behind this console, down this pipe, and then into this pipe, and then there's a pipe right down here that a lot of the cables are ran. So my brother ended up having to drill a hole here, and he was able to get the radar lines in, and I mean, it was an absolute pain in the butt, but he got it done. He was able to get everything hooked up, and yeah, everything's working. So we left the brown paracord there for I have the FLIR night vision camera in. I'm just waiting on the mount to come in, and then we'll run that. But yeah, everything's good. But it was an absolute pain in the butt. There's no doubt about it. Alright guys, take care. Be safe.